Introducing the future of humanity, Human Charity Coin, powered by Binance Smart Chain Digital Charity Project. This project will help to reduce poverty and unemployment that occurs after pandemic. Our ecosystem will support participants to set a passive source of income by offering them capital. We are UK registered, KYC passed, launched with DX app, no mineable supply, holders reward system, decentralized finance, launched on PancakeSwap, an ecosystem that will help community to set a passive income source. First time ever in crypto history. Connect to our social networks now to build a strong community. Let's participate, grow, serve for humanity. For more details, visit our website humancharity.io.